farting prank to see my husband's reaction.
What is that?
What? I'm eating.
What is wrong with you? What did you eat?
What?